Hi friends, welcome to my review section. So today I'm going to review Fiio FW3 earbuds and I will share my honest opinion with you guys. And I am reviewing it at least after 3 weeks, but I make the unboxing video long before I just attach the unboxing part to my video when I upload it. So first let's start with the unboxing experience. And the unboxing wasn't perfect and smooth like you guys can see in my other videos. Some products give you the smoothest and very enjoyable unboxing, but the unboxing of this product was slightly different, making it a little more complicated. So I would rate it 5 out of 10. And if I talk about the box and presentation, I will show you guys again. You can see. So actually I didn't like it much because the other products offers more balanced and easy presentation than this. It's really difficult to repack it also. Anyway, I'll give this section 5 out of 10 as well. You can see. And still okay. So these are some instructions, and there are also, I would say, a lot of them. So I didn't like it. It is a little bit complicated. And if I talk about its design and look, it gets a lot of praise here. You can see it is a very attractive box and a very good box, and the earbuds look very beautiful. They are absolutely worth it if I see its price and their look. You also get a white color which is even more beautiful than this, and it's more of a premium design, and I will rate it 10 out of 10. It is amazing, there is no question about it. And you can see the box. It gives you some ear tips as well, and actually there is some color in it as well. Now if I talk about its fit and comfort, these fit really well in your ears and are comfortable too. And this is good in fit and comfort, but not very impressive. So these are just fine and balanced, I would say. And as far as the build quality is concerned, I don't see any issues with it. It is very well made, and it has a very good structure and shape, and it is very well finished, which makes it really cool and good. So build quality is really impressive, 10 out of 10. So now let's talk about its sound quality. The first thing I want to say that it doesn't have a high sound. I mean, it has a low sound, which makes it a little difficult to properly recognize and differentiate things like bass, treble and vocals. But as far as I understood it, it doesn't have a high bass, and it doesn't have a high treble, and it doesn't have high vocals either. And it means that all these are equal in it. You must have seen that treble is very high in some earphones, and some have a high bass, some have low, etc. Every earphone has one quality that is very high and one that is low, and some that is medium. So I hope that I am able to make you understand my point. So all these three things, bass, treble, vocals, are equal and nothing is too high. So it has a medium and a balanced performance overall. So they are actually really good for your normal use. And the battery timing is very impressive, which I think is 21 hours when you charge it from the case. So it's actually really impressive. And if I talk about price justification, I would say I have a little problem with it. I think according to them the price may be perfect the way it has been presented, but if I wanted to, I would have reduced its packaging and thus reduce its price. I mean, I mean, look at these. I mean, you do not need all these things, you can see. So in my opinion, these things can be reduced, and thus the price can also be reduced. So this was my honest review of Fiio FW3. I hope you liked it, and lastly I would like you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I will keep uploading such good videos for you. So subscribe and must press the bell icons so that you don't miss my upcoming video of Celeste Phoenix Call, which is the most beautiful earphones of 2023. Probably one of the most, but they are really amazing. I would like you to check out that video as well.